Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're out in the warehouse and we're going to be talking about this A&A low profile gear kit. So this is part number 230069. This goes in your low profile A&A Pentair valve. So Pentair purchased A&A a few years ago. So now everything is coming with nice Pentair logo on there. What this does is this goes in your low profile valve, which is the one that feeds from the side, clear lid. It distributes the water to the designated pop-up heads. So water coming into the pump can only power so many pop-up heads at a time. This allows one zone to come on, rotate to the next, rotate to the next. The way you'll know you need a new one of these is if only one group of pop-up heads is coming up in the bottom of your pool. Probably a good time to look at the gear kit. So this is the 2-inch gear kit for the Low Pro, part number 230069 again. How you know that is it has the little blue cam down here. Most of the gears are the same, but the cam changing does make this work on the 2-inch 6-port low profile gear kit. So we have lots of these in stock. Come down to the shop, Bell and I-17, or order online at ePoolSupply.com. We got tons of these ready for you guys. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.